Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. We pray that you've had a fruitful first half of Ramadan and you're looking forward to the second half, bidnillahi ta'ala. I hope you've enjoyed the Jannah series, you've enjoyed Quran 30 for 30 and all the other programs that we've had. And if you've been with Yaqeen in Ramadan before, you know that in the last 10 nights, we're about to take it to the next level. And inshallah ta'ala, as we do that, dear brothers and sisters, we need each and every single one of you to click on this link, inshallah ta'ala, and to automate your donations over the last 10 nights. In these last 10 nights of Ramadan, we're going to be seeking acceptance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, forgiveness, and we're going to be seeking Jannah through every single gate. And it's imperative, inshallah ta'ala, that you look for the different ways to worship Allah in every one of these last 10 nights. And by donating, inshallah ta'ala, every one of these last 10 nights, not only are you ensuring a good deed every one of these 10 nights, but you're supporting all of the good work at Yaqeen bi'idhnillahi ta'ala that I hope you've been benefiting from, your family, your friends, your colleagues. We need your support, inshallah ta'ala, to continue to elevate the standard, because that's what we're going to be doing all year round, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khairan always for your support, and we look forward to being with you for the rest of Ramadan and beyond, inshallah. Once again, click the link, share it. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.